Okay, so as luck would have it, I had a used bad amplifier, or it was marked bad, and the one out of the car, I had mentioned I had a bad driver's side, and so I had actually kept the side that was fine, I left alone, and then I swapped in out of my parts amp, I swapped in one of these amp channels into the other side and put it all back together, primarily with the ground screw here, and then assembled with the grounds here. And actually I just did only a few of the Torx I put back in the case just to test it in case I had to take it apart again, obviously. And lo and behold, it works just fine. So this particular module, amp module, was bad, and I might crack this open and see if I can see any telltale signs of what happened. But it's the one that it really smells quite bad inside. So that's a potential fix for you if you are still running your stock Audi Bose stereo in the C4, Audi UrS4 and UrS6, or 100 and A6. They also use the same Audi Bose setup in a lot of cars. So if you can get your hands on if you have one bad channel in the back, you can unplug the speaker obviously until then and run it with 3 speakers. But crack it open, T30 Torx is all you need, and unplug your channel that's bad and try swapping in one from a parts amp if you can get your hands on one at a parts yard or someplace, and you may be good to go. Hope this helps somebody, and keep driving them.